kodwa ihluthwe kabuhlungu lapho la Orlando Pirates awulezi yaqinisa bayihlaba lo bhola kwaPolice aPolice yakwenqanda kahle ibhola ngene boxini Oswin wapasa ibhola eJoswin Orlando Pirates ithuba yababa umnatheli mane ngoku Mufukeng kubona zamnqanda kubona nothi kuye kwanele mntana ndini yini ingaba ngawona amanqaku sawabona kwibhetho iPremiership namhlanje lana amanitsi afakweyo mane amanqaku ku-Orlando Pirates 4-0 really Mufukeng ya kunzinyana khumbula baba bukhuphile uDe Jong oqala kwesiqingatha sesibini bathi mntanami masubalekise sikusindise De Jong kuba kakade unamakhadi amthubi amathathu 3 yellow cards De Jong ithi siphumza ungasiqala isiqingatha sesibini Mufukeng wadlula ngokulula wathembisa kwindoda ebimlindile imjongile ye-TS Galaxy wakhupha nje umlenze wathi ogqiba wathi ndidlulile kuwo
Nemtajela, acres of space on that side. Massive opportunity here. Can he score against his former team? You bet he can. Kamogelo Sibilibili makes it 5-0 to Orlando Pirates. It is getting brutal. The manner in which they have played today oozes title challenger mentality. And they are far from over. And of course, Sibilibili was going to come back and going to score against TS Galaxy. Just to make matters even more sour for Adnan Beganovic and Bernard Parker. He had that injury this season that sidelined him for quite some time, but since he's been back, Sibilibili has been rocking. Great spot from Nemtajela. Dlamini lost his man, and Sibilibili finished it off emphatically. That's how you do it.
Orlando Pirates ngabiza kuthatha amanqaku amathandathu onke nathi ibhola ehle Pirates Mufukeng wayicenga le ibhola waqoqwa bethu Mufukeng wayibeka emnatheni hat-trick yokuqala karili Mufukeng kule season simbone ekokuqala eqora ibhola ngenhloko ngoku sibona efaka i-hat-trick yakhe izinto uyazenza kule season Really Mufukeng ukuba itawuli biphosa kumdlalo webhola ekhatywayo bekumele uba iyaphoswa ngoku wahlala phansi uAdnan wathi madoda kumaphela emqaleni andisazi ngoku mathandathu bapolisha nezihlangu zakhe ngoku uReally ipresident yama-2K faka amanqaku mathathu kumdlalo omnye ihlabile lapho lwapolisi eyihlabela uReally wathi ogqika wayicenga uReally uNozite beseyibambile lapho ebeyibambile utape ira lapho ukuthi imoshakele xa bekutheni nayiphuma ezandleni ngesike wayixhimfa yena Mufukeng wathi ogqiba wayibetha ngomphakathi wenyawo wayibetha kwipali ibikude wenyuka uNozite yadibana nayo ibhola yabekwa emnatheni amabhakani ehleli phansi athi hayi siyangqina nathi besikhona hat-trick